Without any preamble or fancy introduction, let me say this straight. Pause this video right now. Yes, pause it. Look at your cash savings and amounts saved in your banks. Take at least 60 to 70% of that amount and go buy pure 24-karat gold in multiple bars of 5 and 10 grams. This is the core message of this entire video.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do it now for more similar informative and useful videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications about our upcoming content. I know you very well. You're neither a gold analyst nor a crypto expert, and that's perfectly fine. Maybe you've never even followed market trends, and honestly, that's not your business. What matters right now is simple. It's time to act. That's it. This isn't one of my usual tech videos or something about crypto mining, so I won't waste a second of your precious time. Let's get straight to the point. I want you to understand today. Open your Chrome or whatever browser you use, type gold price trend, tap on this site, Trading Economics, and here is a chart that should be really an eye-opener for you. Don't worry about how complex this chart looks. Trust me, you don't need to go into the nitty-gritty. Just focus on what I'm about to explain. Make sure your chart is set to the 1-year view. Now click this button, switch to the candle view, and just compare the price of gold from October last year to where it stands today. Now listen carefully. I'm not asking you to pull money out of your running business or cut down your home expenses to buy gold. What I'm saying is simple. Keep your ready-to-use savings in gold instead of cash or bank deposits. Because every day the value of your cash, whether it's in your home or your bank, is silently shrinking. Inflation is eating it away faster than we've seen in decades. But when you convert that same money into gold, you're protecting it. Gold doesn't lose value. It holds it, and over time, it grows. I strongly recommend you watch this video till the end without skipping a second, because by the end, you'll gain insights that could truly become an asset for your financial future and help you make a decision you'll never regret. And one more thing, let me know in the comments which city and country you're watching from, so I can create more personalized videos for you in the future. The hidden reason gold. Prices keep rising. Central banks are buying big. Take a look at this table. Governments across the world are stocking thousands of tons of gold, and their efforts to pile up reserves are rising steadily. This continuous accumulation is driving gold prices higher, making it increasingly difficult for the common man to buy gold as time passes. Look at these top 10 countries by gold holdings. The United States leads with 8,133 tons, followed by Germany with 3,350, Italy with 2,452, France with 2,437, Russia with 2,330, China with 2,299, Switzerland with 1,040, India with 880, Japan with 846, and Turkey with 635 tons. And the countless list is continued. Now the question is this a normal phenomenon? Don't you think the central banks of these countries aggressively accumulating gold won't push others to do the same, ultimately adding more upward pressure on gold prices? This trend clearly indicates that governments are slowly moving away from their reliance on the US dollar, and instead, they're strengthening their economies through gold reserves, one of the most stable forms of wealth. Hold cash or buy gold? A 2026 comparison. Open your browser once again and search Gold Price Prediction 2026. Click this site. Here is the current price of gold per ounce. Remember, 1 ounce equals 28.35 grams. Read the month-by-month forecasts carefully. The longer you hold physical gold, the greater your potential gain. Now imagine you currently have cash or bank deposits equal to the value of 1 ounce of gold. What will that same amount be worth in December 2026 if you keep it as cash? And how would it compare if you convert it into gold today? When the world trembles, gold stands tall. Always remember one simple rule. The more volatile, uncertain, and unpredictable the world becomes, the more valuable gold gets. History has repeatedly shown that whenever the world faces instability or conflict, people and governments turn to gold to secure their financial future. I know neither you nor I are current affairs experts, but my point of view doesn't depend on expert analysis. It's based on simple observation. The U.S.-China tussle over trade and global economic dominance is set to intensify. Both nations understand well that the future belongs to the one with greater wealth and control over world markets, and neither will end its pursuit of that goal anytime soon. In the Middle East, will Israel ever step back from its Greater Israel ambitions? Never. The Israel-Hamas conflict may witness temporary pauses, but only for regrouping or realignment. A complete end to this conflict seems unlikely in the current decade. The Russia-Ukraine war may also conclude eventually, but certainly not soon. Even after that, the power struggle between the U.S.-led Western Alliance, NATO, and Russia will continue, keeping global tensions alive. In South Asia, one of the most populated regions on Earth, friction between India and Pakistan remains constant. Fresh skirmishes between these nuclear nations are almost inevitable. Meanwhile, Pakistan's tense relations with Afghanistan have already opened a new front, and stability there also seems distant. The list could go on, but the summary is simple. The world is not heading toward peace anytime soon. This prolonged global instability will keep fueling gold prices. As central banks, major institutions, investors, and even ordinary citizens continue rushing to secure their wealth in the most trusted form of value, gold. On 10th October 2025, crypto witnessed the liquidity of $19 billion, total unexpected by a common crypto trader. The plunge came after U.S. President Donald Trump announced a 100% tariff on Chinese imports and threatened export controls on critical software. I don't advise you to invest your hard-earned money in such a fragile market that collapse over just an announcement. Don't fear the drop. Gold's upward trend is strong. You might say, what if gold falls after I buy it? Yes, that is possible. If you buy today, maybe in 1 or 2 months, price goes down a little. But look at what the evidence and trends say. In 2025, gold has already gone up very strongly. For example, up more than 50% year-on-year in many markets. Gold's future looks bright. Don't wait to be late. So, in summary, gold is a strong, time-tested asset. The signs from global banks, from central banks, from big economies, all point to more upward movement. If you act early, you stand to gain. If you wait, you might regret paying more later. If you're looking for a simple, honest way to secure your future a bit better, I encourage you, buy gold as much as you comfortably can, as soon as you can. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they can make a wise move too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and straightforward guides like this. I am waiting for your responses in the comments section. So, we'll meet again in another informative video.